So I never thought that our EV will force our solar upgrade, but that's how it's tying up. But that's great. Today the team's arriving, so I'll talk you through it, and quite excited and to see the storyline unfold. Having to solve this problem soon, so definitely creating some problems for myself here if I continue doing it this way. Okay, here's a good example where things became a problem. Electricity became low, we just used too much, and the poor system is just complaining all the time about that. In the contract, we are upgrading from an 8 kilowatt to a 12 kilowatt inverter. Probably also going to be a die inverter, and this one served us really, really well. We are also adding another battery. Again, these ones served us really well. And another 4 panels to our system as well. So the new contract is only 2.5, and then upgrading to the extra large one is going to cost us only about 300 Rand. So it's not going to cost as much as you might think. Okay, so the Go Solar team is here, getting the inverter out, getting the panels ready to get the panels on the roof, setting all the brackets in there, and getting all the wiring done, and working quite quickly, get the wiring done, and with the batteries in there as well. There's only the 2 for now. The third one came in. Okay, there's that one again, the DB board, and there we go. So after installation, as you can see, the bikes are back, 3 batteries are in. Sadly, that third battery they put in is not functioning well, so I have to replace it again. So we can't see the benefit of that yet, which is quite sad. But definitely the panels upstairs will make a big difference, and then of course the 12 kilowatt inverter. So let's quickly test this if you can see what's going to happen. Okay, wow, so already 4.76 kilowatt from the panels. I'm saying wow because it's winter time, it's quite cloudy, the sun is not really out. Getting 5.5 kilowatt from the 14 panels is almost a bit ridiculous. It's quite amazing. And the battery went up to 55% already, and really, really impressed with what I'm seeing here. Okay, but now we want to test the inverter. Now testing the inverter, I'm going to put on the geyser, that's that switch. And if I put it on, we're going to see it's going to jump, most probably. It's jumping up. On the right hand side bottom. But that's still great. I want to test them together, so I want to go check if I charge the car, what's going to be the jump. Okay, so the AC is going to be 6 kilowatt, but drawing 7. Going to activate it quickly with the card. And going to go check the inverter. And it really jumped up, but you can't even see that it jumped up because on the right hand side bottom, yes, it's 12, but it's still solid in safe zone, which is amazing. Okay, we can actually see they've set a 24 there. So running so smoothly. So in that sense, the upgrade's definitely worthwhile. The upgrade inverter is worthwhile, and the solar panels also definitely worthwhile. Loving this. I'm putting in the V2L for the washing machine. So well, it's charging, and it's winter time, not even a sunny day. So as you might know from my other videos, we changed this, well, sort of for the EV. That changed it, so our life with the solar, but also for other reasons. And you need to let me know. Will you do the same thing? You looked at the prices. I think it's very reasonable. And at this stage, I'm very, very happy. So if you have to ask me, I'm definitely going to say a big yes. I will upgrade the solar again.